I just wanted to take a quick minute to show you how to put in the basic formulas that you may be needing for your modeling project, all right? So this is just very basic in case you have like material and labor and you need to know how much it costs with a total number of items instead of having to do all the math by hand. So let's say that the material is, I don't know, $42.36. I want this column to be money, and so I'm going to make it dollars right there. And then I want this one to be money as well, so I'm going to do this. All right, so then let's say that we need 218 of whatever the material is. So in order to figure the cost without having to do it by hand, you're going to hit the equals sign and then sum, and you can see when I start typing sum, it pops up. So sum means to add, and you're going to put in, you're going to click, oh, I'm sorry, not sum. We don't want a sum. We want to product this. I was jumping ahead of myself. So product, because that's multiplying, right? So we're going to click this box and then comma and then this box. Okay, so we want it to multiply those two, and then we close parentheses so that we know what it's wanting. And so then the material is $9,234.48. So let's say that labor is like $20 an hour, okay? And we need, let's say we need a lot of labor. We need like 4,900 hours, all right? So we're going to do the same thing again. So equals product, and then this time I don't want it. See how it normally pops up what was up above it? I don't want to do that. I want to make sure I hit the product below. And I'm going to click on this box, put a comma, and then click on this box. I'm going to close my parentheses, okay? And so, wow, that's a lot. That's a lot. So this is going to be a very expensive project, whatever it is. And so now we want to find the total cost of the product, or of the project. So we're going to hit equals and sum. This time, this is where we were adding. Sorry, I skipped ahead a second ago. And we're just going to highlight these two boxes, okay? We're going to close parentheses. And now it's going to tell us the total of this entire project is $107,000 roughly. So this is the formulas that you can use for any of the modeling projects that you guys are thinking of. Let me know if you need any other help. Thanks.